If you want to manipulate just some part of the text in the line, there is buff set text. Similar to set lines, you specify the buffer number, but this time you would have to specify the starting column and end column together with the line numbers. So let's try changing the hello part in hello world. So the line is 12 because it starts from 0 in this API, so not 13. Start column should be 1 and end column should be 6 because it is exclusive, so put in 6 changes until 5. So the hello changed to Sanam. If the replacement text is longer than the range specified, then it just pushes the other text and not override it. If you want to delete the text, you can either put empty string or just empty list. That will delete the hello. If you want to delete the hello, but want to keep the world in its place, you would have to put the same number of space as the replacement string. We can use a repeat function, and since hello has 5 characters, you can put 5 there. So that removed hello, and world is there in the same spot. You can also insert a new word by putting the same number in the start column and end column. So happy got inserted at column 6, so let's make it 7. So now the happy is between hello and world.